weird. Yesterday was 42 degrees, today it's kind of cold, I don't know, like, I have no clue what time it is. It is 10:30 and I'm starting with a free tour this morning and there's a lot of people. Like I did a tour in Sydney and there were like 10 persons or something, and I have no idea how many persons are here, but it's busy.
Altogether, our tour today should be around 2.5 to 3 hours. Does that sound good?
Alright.
Wow, people, I know it's Sunday morning, you haven't all had your coffee intake for today, but does that sound good?
As you can see in this park, you see that the trees are protected, and that's because of the possums. And the possums are little animals that look a little bit like squirrels, and those animals damage the tree. So they put this around the tree to protect the trees, but as you can see over there, there's a possum, so it doesn't work at all.
This is the Melbourne Exhibition Building. This was built between the years of 1879 and 1880 to host the Melbourne World Exhibition.
This is the Coles fountain, and then you probably think, oh, who's Coles? Well, Coles is a supermarket here in Australia, and they wanted their own fountain, so they built a fountain in the shape of a C for their own supermarket. In 1901, Australia became a real country, and the country needed a capital city. But it didn't want Sydney as capital city or Melbourne as capital city because those cities didn't like each other and it would have caused a conflict. So they built a new city, which was called Canberra, in between Melbourne and Sydney, and that is now the capital city of Australia.
The plan is to turn Melbourne from an urban jungle into an actual jungle. So they're creating these incredible murals, pulling out the bluestone, putting in irrigation systems, planting Boston creepers and creating community gardens. The plan is, if you should visit Melbourne within the next 5 to 10 years, there's going to be all these green environmental pockets within the heart of this very urban city.
So that square traffic light over there, you only see it in Melbourne, and it means that even when the light's green, if that square one is red, you can't turn right. When it's white like this, you can. So you have to wait till the trams pass, and then you can turn right with your car. This traffic light was installed on National Women's Day, and as you can see, it's not a male, but it's a female sign. This is the MCG, the Melbourne Cricket Ground, and it has a capacity of more than 100,000 people. This is the art center, and it's also home of the ballet, so the architect wanted to make a ballet skirt, which is also known as a tutu, but now people call it the Eiffel Tower in a tutu.
You've made it to the end of the tour. You've just walked 4.5 kilometers.
Alright, that tour was awesome. It was a really good tour. I know a little bit more like about Melbourne, but also where to go. Like I didn't really know which way to go and stuff. But now I do. So I think the weather is not really good today. It's quite cold. I think I'm going to the library just to edit some more videos and then put them online so you have a video every day. Alright, I don't think I really told you about how I am gonna do it now with the videos and put them online and everything. So as a backpacker, it's a little hard to put the videos online if you don't have Wi-Fi or you don't have time. I don't know, like it's kind of hard. So normally you can't use the Wi-Fi in the hostel because it's either not good enough or you just have like a small amount of data to use. So I need to find a place in public that has Wi-Fi and a power station because I need power as well for my laptop because it takes a little while. And if I don't have that, I can't, unfortunately, put videos online every single day. My plan is to have videos every single day, so every single day there will be a video at 6 AM Dutch time. But if I can't do that, then I will make sure that in the days after that I will get like more videos than one day to just keep up with the dates. So that's the plan. So I will film the days and then a week later they will come online. So like last week Thursday will come online on this week Thursday and it goes on and on like that. I hope that's a good plan and I will see if it really works, and otherwise I have to change it, but we'll see. I have to find out as well.